12. Unit 2. O-U-O-W. A. Listen and learn.
This is a mouse. What's the middle sound in the word mouse?
Ow.
That's right. Ow. Mouse. This is a cow. What's the ending sound in the word cow?
Ow.
That's right. Ow. Cow.
Page 12. B. Listen, point, and read. 1.
M. Ow. S. Mouse.
M. Ow. S. Mouse.
2.
H. Ow. S. House.
Ow. S. House.
3.
Ow. Cow.
Ow. Cow.
4.
Br. Ow. N. Brown.
Br. Ow. N. Brown.
Page 13. D. Listen, unscramble, and write. 1.
House. House.
2.
Mouse. Mouse.
3.
Brown. Brown.
4.
Cow. Cow.
Page 13. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Mouse, cow, brown, house.
Mouse, cow, brown house.
Mouse, cow,
Mouse, cow,
brown, house.
brown house.
Brown house. Mouse, cow.
Brown house. Mouse, cow.
The mouse and the cow
The mouse and the cow
live in a brown house.
live in a brown house.
The mouse and the cow live in a brown house.
The mouse and the cow live in a brown house.
Page 14. O-I-O-Y. A. Listen and learn.
This is a coin. What's the middle sound in the word coin?
Oi.
That's right. Oi. Coin. This is a toy. What's the ending sound in the word toy?
Oi.
That's right. Oi. Toy.
Page 14. B. Listen, point, and read. 1.
Oi. N. Coin.
Oi. N. Coin.
2.
S. Oi. Ul. Soil.
S. Oi. Ul. Soil.
3.
Oi. toy.
Oi, toy.
4.
Oi, boy.
Oi, boy.
Page 15. C. Listen and circle the ones with the same vowel sound. 1,
Coin, soil, cup.
2,
Toy, boy, cow.
3,
Car, boy, coin.
15. D. Listen and write. 1,
A little coin.
2,
A big boy.
3,
The soil is brown.
4,
The toy is red.
Page 15. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Boy, toy, coin, soil.
Boy, toy, coin, soil.
Boy, toy,
Boy, toy,
coin, soil.
coin, soil.
Coin, soil. Boy, toy.
Coin, soil. Boy, toy.
The boy can see a toy
The boy can see a toy
and a coin in the soil.
and a coin in the soil.
The boy can see a toy and a coin in the soil.
The boy can see a toy and a coin in the soil.
Page 16. O, U. A. Listen and learn.
This is a book. What's the middle sound in the word book? That's right. Book. This is a bush. What's the middle sound in the word bush? That's right. Bush.
Page 16. B. Listen, point, and read. 1,
Book. Book.
Book.
2,
Foot.
Foot.
3,
Sh. Bush.
Sh. Bush.
4,
Ul. Pull.
Ol. Pull.
Page 17. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
foot.
Pull, book, push, foot.
Pull, book,
Pull, book,
bush, foot,
push, foot.
bush, foot. Pull, book,
Bush, foot. Pull, book.
I pull a book
I pull a book
from a bush with my foot.
from a bush with my foot.
I pull a book from a bush with my foot.
I pull a book from a bush with my foot.
Page 18. O-U, O-W, O-I, O-Y, O-O, U. A. Listen, circle, and write. 1,
Coin, coin.
2,
Pull, pull.
3,
Book, book.
4,
Brown, brown.
5,
Boy, boy.
6,
House, house.
18. Now try these. Listen, circle, and write. 1,
Look, look.
2,
Join, join.
3,
Soy, soy.
4,
Town, town.
Were you right?
Page 19. Story. B. Look and listen. Read along. A cow in the house.
A boy and a mouse play with toys in a farmhouse. It is cold outside. A brown cow wants to join the boy and the mouse in the house.
1.
Hello, brown cow.
Hello, boy. Hello, mouse. The soil and the bushes are cold. Can I sleep in your house? 2.
We only have 2 beds.
Let's flip a coin.
Okay.
3. This book is good.
This bed is soft.
My foot is cold.
New words.
Join, flip, soft.
Sight words.
Cold, only.
Page 20. Review 1. A-R, I-R, U-R, E-R, O-R, O-U, O-W, O-I, O-Y, O-O, U. Song. A. Look and listen. Sing along.
Big purple tractor in the hot, hot sun. Big purple tractor, summer fun. There is a big purple tractor on our farm that works and works all day. With huge black tires, it digs brown soil. It's loud and slow, and it pulls our hay. We drive the big purple tractor from our house to the apple tree. Happy boys and girls pick the red apples, then we bake pies for our family.
Big purple tractor in the hot, hot sun. Big purple tractor, summer fun. There is a big purple tractor on our farm that works and works all day. With huge black tires, it digs brown soil. It's loud and slow, and it pulls our hay. We drive the big purple tractor from our house to the apple tree. Happy boys and girls pick the red apples, then we bake pies for our family.
Boys, drive the tractor. Now stop. Girls, drive the tractor. Now stop. Boys, pick apples. Give the apples to the girls. Now, girls pick apples. Give the apples to the boys. Now, everybody drive the tractor home.
Page 21. B. Listen, circle, and write. 1,
Foot. Foot.
2,
Park. Park.
3,
Mouse. Mouse.
4,
Boy. Boy.